Howdy everybody, Fidgetum here. Today, well, today I've got a little eagle padlock. I've had this in my collection for like, I don't know, 4 months now, but I never really gave it much thought until Bosnian Bill did a video on this the other day. Well, for me it was the other day. I don't know when this video is going to go up, because I'm about to do a whole big batch of these in advance, because I've got things to do over the next few weeks, but bidding's not bad, and I love the key. I got this because I like eagle padlocks. I like their styling most of the time. This one's not much to look at, but some of them are very, very pretty. Works beautifully. I think it was new old stock when I got it. Didn't come in a box though. And for a lock that I'm pretty sure is all standard pins, it's not super easy to pick open on account of how tightly the pins bind. You have to like heavy tension to find them and then loosen off and then slide them up and then go back to heavier tension to find the next pin. It's kind of a weird strat, but there we go, nice click out of that one. But I'm not very good at picking standard pins, so I don't think that's quite right. This is one of those locks I don't pick very often because I'd rather keep it in nice condition for the collection. Am I a collector or a hoarder at this point? That's a interesting question. One of these days I'll have to answer. Alright, click there. Hopefully that wasn't an overset. Click out of one. QA on this is a little bit paracentric, but it's not too terribly bad. I didn't want to put this in a vise because I don't want to scuff it up. Although oh, not the hand cramps, not the hand cramps. This lock is going to give me more problems than most high security locks I attack. Goddamn standard pins. Let's try that again. I don't think I'm getting anywhere. Perhaps a thinner pick will do better. Let's try one at 18th thou. Come on. It's interesting. It's kind of a Schlegel style keyway. Four is binding, 2. Alright, let's. There you go. Sometimes I get caught on the warding and I'm not sure whether I'm touching a pin or not. Let's try bottom of the keyway. Not that one. No, not you either. There we go. Bottom of the QA and a shorter pick, but let's go back to 25,000 since I'm not too worried about the wording at this point. Maybe I should be worried about the wording. Let's go back to 18. Yeah, that's better. We'll click out of 4. And 5. Four again. There we go. 5 right in the back. That's what it needed. Alright. There we go. That took me way too long, but whatever. Alright, so that's a little old Eagle padlock. Picked open with, what, 4 different picks and 4 different tension ranges? Yeah, okay. Whatever. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Goodbye.